Hey guys, it's your boy Mark, 11th of October 2024. This was just a quick unboxing video I wanted to do. I got this for my birthday, as you guys saw. This is a Scott Hall Living on a Razor's Edge Steelbook. It's still shrink wrapped. So I'm gonna open this. Funny thing, when I saw it for sale, I didn't realize it was still shrink wrapped, so yeah. I don't know if you can see that it is shrink wrapped in the thing, but it is shrink wrapped. Just open this real quick, and yeah. Rest in peace, Scott Hall, by the way, of course. Includes exclusive Blu-Ray disc extras. Beautiful Steelbook. Who doesn't love Steelbooks? I wonder if anything's gonna fall out. Yeah, that's it. It's not like the Brock Lesnar Steelbook where there was like advertisements and stuff. Yep, just the discs. Cool. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm your boy Mark. And yeah, peace out. Hope you had a good one, and yeah, I'll see you later.